Yeah, we see the asteroid, and it's near the upper right corner as it has been, and it's really visible here. Where have you got it?
It's about 9 o'clock in the eyepiece.
Okay. You want to watch this? Well,
yeah.
I'll just take over.
Here, I'll just center a little bit. It's down towards the bottom edge this way.
Just go back.
Beginning. Needs to be kind of close.
Okay, you're going to pass 2 stars. You'll see 3 stars in a line. It's hit it. It's going to go past the 2.
Well, I can't even see them. I only see the asteroid and
okay.
the stars.
Yeah, those stars won't show up there.
I know it's passing. It's
okay.
passing the brightest of it.
Okay. So you've got some good video here.
Okay, so what direction do I need? North and west?
A little bit of west.
West.
And a little bit more west and a little bit of north.
This is so far north that my west is a little bit less sensitive now than my north.
Well, we see it nice and bright here, right next to our arrow.
Where is that histogram looking? Is it right near the bottom of the...
It's right near the bottom, yeah.
Right, so I could probably lengthen the exposures. But where do I need to go?
Go west. One shot of west, I guess.
Yeah, just past a really bright star. So hit it west. Alright.
Should my little paddle wheel still going around?
Paddle wheel.
Your water pump?